Hey, welcome to the show. Check this out. What a difference this has made with my parents. This is the VOCIC lightweight rollator walker Z23. This has an aluminum frame and tower structure. It supports up to 300 pounds and the walker only weighs 17 pounds. The wheels are great and allow for tight turning radius. This Z23 is also made for going outside. The wheels can handle grass, gravel, and concrete. With this walker, they also include a storage net bag. This attaches to the front. You can place garden tools or personal objects in there. I really like that you can fold this down in seconds and then place it in the car. The rollator walker does include front hand brakes. You can adjust the height of the handles, and it also comes with an attachment to hold a water bottle. Very comfortable and smooth to push around. My parents are really enjoying this. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show. Make sure you check out this product and the company. And like always, have a fun day. Adios. Goodbye.